So for an interval of convergence, we should be able to take the n plus 1 term, divide by the nth term, and then take a limit as n goes to infinity. And if it's going to converge, this needs to be less than 1. So still a limit as n goes to infinity. The n plus 1 term is 36n plus 1 times x to the 2 n plus 1 all over 36n x to the 2n. And then here, still the limit. I'm going to drop some limit notation to save my hand. So this is 36 x to the 2n plus 2 over x to the 2n, so that's going to be x squared. And this needs to be, so the limit doesn't matter anymore because there's no n, luckily for this one. So we need 36x squared to be less than 1. And the whole reason for that is because the ratio of the terms needs to be less than 1 for this series to converge. And so to figure out x, to solve for x here, x needs to be less than the square root of 1 over 36, which is 1 over 6, right? So the ratio of convergence, x needs to be somewhere between negative 1, 6 and 1, 6. Okay. Otherwise, if x is anything else, then this isn't going to converge because this value here would be greater than 1. So it looks like 1, 6 would be, what was the question? Determine the interval of convergence. Yeah, so that should be it down here. We solve for x, the absolute value needs to be between negative 1, 6. So you can stop the video if you understood what just happened there, but if you're not sure about this inequality, I think I should probably go over that a little bit more. Square root of both sides right here gives us 6x less than 1. And this is still an absolute value. So to resolve the absolute value, you have to solve it twice. The absolute value can be between negative 1 and positive 1. So divide 6 from both sides.